The Casual Teacher Floss Challenge on today's Think Share. Hello and welcome to Think Share. My name is Zach and we're here to bring something to think about, sharing about, talking about, listening to, reading about that doesn't belong in math class. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to subscribe. Recently, I went on a field trip with the Student Council. We went to the Massachusetts Association of Student Council's Hyannis Spring Conference. And one of the things I really bonded with the council, I would say, over was dancing. There's just a lot of random spontaneous dancing that occurred throughout the conference, and I taught some moves to some students, and we just had a lot of fun together. And the other day, when they were leaving for another conference that I was not going to be attending, one of them said, you're just gonna have to come with us in spirit or something. You're just gonna have to start like randomly flossing for your students or something. I said,
you know what? I'm gonna do that.
So I did do that. Now, one of the challenges of it was finding a way to start doing it casually, but be in context. I honestly didn't have the courage to just start doing it, with no reason whatsoever and not explain it to my students. I wanted to do that for shock value, and I feel like I failed myself because that was what I wanted to do. But here's my challenge to all the teachers out there that want to, just a challenge for teachers to step outside your comfort zone, be a little weird in front of your students, because sometimes it's just hard to pull it together enough as it is. But I just challenge some teachers out there to be a little goofy. We'll create the hashtag in the title of this video, the Casual Teacher Floss Challenge. Here are a couple times that I did it. I hope you enjoy.
Of x minus 9. Liam, are you falling asleep? Do I need to wake you up with some entertainment? That one's for you, Nolan. If you were to, anyone were able to come up with a angle of depression or elevation problem where it's like they're using the angle of the backpack kid's arms doing the dance. How many people know how to do the dance?
Yeah. Whoa, why are we putting our stuff away? We still have 5 minutes left.
Actually, it's 4.
Am I not entertaining for you guys enough? Do I need to dance or something?
It's actually 4
Alright,
minutes and...
this right here. We could set up the Pythagorean theorem. There's another way to do it.
Hit the blackboard open.
I don't know what that is. You mean this thing?
If you're a teacher watching this and don't know how to floss, it is the backpack kid dance. You can study it. I'm sure there's tutorials online. If you really want me to, I guess I can make one, or just ask one of your students to teach you. Secondly, if you are a student, I invite you to share this with a teacher and invite them to take the challenge. And the purpose of it is just to get teachers to step outside their comfort zones, because we're always pushing students to say, hey, you guys should step outside your comfort zones. Raise your hand even if you don't know the answer. Go
be okay to fail. You know what we say. We
rant about things. I invite you to challenge your teachers to step outside of their comfort zones, whether it's singing in front of the class, whether it's rapping in front of the class, whether it's dancing in front of the class, whatever it is. Make sure that your teachers are leading by example. Don't let them get away with telling you to do something that they're unwilling to do themselves. I invite you to challenge. Leave it in the comments. Who are some of the people that you've challenged, and or maybe even YouTube channels that you know are teachers that you want to see challenge it. I would love to see if this catches on. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I've inspired some people. That's all for today. If you like this, give it a like. If you want more, subscribe. I come up with a new video every day. Hit the bell if you want notifications for that new video every day. Thank you for watching. Stay weird, humans. Yay!